You are back again. I want to teach you how to discover trending hashtag on Facebook Reel. Firstly, you click on see dashboard. Once you tap on it, they will show you this one. You tap on Reels inspiration. Just tap on it, follow it step by step. Then what's the next thing? Can you see the trending hashtag? This one are the popular tags. Consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Then I will teach you how to copy this hashtag simple way by using your Google Lens. So what do I have to do? I have to screenshot all of them. Let's screenshot it. These ones now are the trending hashtag on Reel. So if you upload it, it will help you to grow your Facebook. Okay, we have screenshotted it. Let me just crop it so that it will not be stressful like that, because I want to screenshot the text, the picture, and convert it to text using Google Lens. Okay, let's go to Google Lens. Let's open Google Lens. Remember, you must on your network. Okay, we have opened it. They will ask you to click or to open the picture that you want to convert the text. So we have to go back, open it. So while we are waiting for the thing to open the pictures, okay, it has opened. So we click on it so that it will show us our pictures in the gallery. Then from there, we select the ones we want to use. So while we are waiting, consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's open it. So these are the screenshotted pictures. Then if you open it, the Google will use itself and highlight them. You can highlight and copy it as text. So that's the simple way to do it. Consider to like this channel. It is very helpful to you. So what's the next thing? We copy it to somewhere ready for. Okay, these ones are the ones that I copied already, so that if I want to create reel, it will be simple to paste. Thanks for watching. See you next time.